now.
Okay. So now teacher will be sharing the screen, okay? And give
Okay.
me some few seconds. All right, so can you see our screen? Okay, so tonight we are going to have the exercise 3, this discussion, okay? So what we're
Yes.
going to do is to discuss and explain your opinion about the following good manners to your teacher, okay? So I guess we're done with the exercise 3. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So we have the exercise 4, further discussions about the good manners. So now, okay. So number 1, in your country, how does a person show politeness?
I think they will say hello with everybody in the all the time.
Hmm. Okay. So aside from that, do you have any idea?
Mm, I don't have meaning. Do you have
Mm-hmm.
that?
Yes. So just like you said, the ones that you say hello, good morning, or greetings, any greetings are already called polite or politeness. So, but sometimes, are you familiar with doing this one? Like you're going to bless or something? Do you know this sign like you're going to bless?
Yes, I have.
Yeah, like you're going to hold the hand of other person and then you're going to do like this. Bless. How do you
Uh,
call this one?
mm, I don't know what that's in English.
How about in Vietnam? How do you call that one? How
Um, can you share? Can you share it to Google because you show me?
is that the one that you're going to put the hands of other person and put it
I
here?
don't know. I don't know what's that called, but in my country, they will do it when when they uh when they in front of the flag of my country.
Oh, I see. So in the Philippines, we do like this every time we see an elder people or older people.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So now in Philippines, we usually say po or opo.
Yeah.
Like we say salamat po, yes po. So that's how we say, that's how we show our politeness by saying po and opo. So
Yes.
we also say please and thank you. That shows politeness. So to respecting other people, like we call that mom, sir, ati, kuya. Okay, excuse me. So, all right. So we also have the respectful gestures. The mano po. Wait, let me search what is that.
Yeah.
Mano po in English. Blessing gestures. This one. Oh, not this one.
Mẹ ơi đừng nói.
Like this.
À.
Yeah, like this one.
Hmm.
So that's how we show our politeness by doing like this. Okay, so now let's proceed with the second question. What is considered impolite in your country and why?
Mm, impolite.
Mm-hmm.
I think um when you eat. when you
Uh-huh.
eat on the table, and you have like that.
And
That's
oh,
it
you like,
polite.
yeah. Yeah, when you eat, like you're doing like that. Like
No,
open your mouth. That's why when we eat, we should like that. So what else?
and you don't know to thank you and hello
Mm.
when you meet somebody.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, what else? Do you still have any idea?
Um, and and you will talk. You will talk with when somebody have a talk.
Yes, yes. Like you are going to interrupt person's talking, or you're also when we raise our voice to someone, that is impolite.
Yeah.
Yes. So, all right. So how about number three? Is it important to be polite? Why or why not?
Um. Yes, because
That
um
is the
that's the kind style line which of people.
Hmm. Okay. So yes. Sorry. It is important to be polite, especially in society. And this is the true, even not just in Philippines, also in Vietnam, all over the world, and anywhere else. So why
Yeah.
politeness is important? It shows respect. Politeness acknowledge others people's feelings, age, and position. So respect builds trust and good relationship. So that's why it creates harmony. Polite behavior helps avoid conflict and misunderstanding. So here in Philippines, in Filipino culture, it supports pakikisama. Okay, pakikisama means getting along with others. So it reflects good character. Being polite show kindness, self-control, and maturity. We also have people often judge a person attitude by how polite they are. So
Oh.
politeness also improves communication. Okay, so politeness makes conversation smoother and more effective because just like us, when I talk, you listen. When you talk, I listen. That's
Mm-hmm.
simple politeness, polite. And what do you call this one? So yeah, it helps. It helps in work, school, and also in daily life. So polite people are easier to work with and are often trusted more. So it can lead to better opportunities and stronger networks. So is there, okay, I have a question. Is there a reason not to be polite?
Yes.
Oh, what was the reason not to be polite?
Impolite.
Okay,
Uh,
not to be polite.
not to be. Um, I think not always, but have sometimes. When some people talk anything and I cannot hear it, and I talk when they talk.
Mm-hmm.
So I think that's impolite, but not always. Sometimes.
Yeah, actually, starting with that, it's not impolite. We can just simply say, sorry, I did not hear that. Sorry, I don't get that. Excuse me, I don't get that. I'm sorry, whatsoever. So that's not impolite.
Mm-hmm.
So what do we call this one? So yes, politeness should not mean being silent about abuse or injustice. Not just
Mm-hmm.
because you are polite, you're not going to be tell what you are feeling right now or maybe in the future. So you can be respectful and firm at the same time. So I have a conclusion. Okay, so politeness is important because it builds respect, harmony, and understanding. So while it shouldn't stop someone from standing up for themselves, being polite makes society more peaceful and connected. Sorry.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so now let's proceed. Thank you so much about your thoughts and idea about this one. So now let's proceed with question number 4. What gestures show politeness in your country?
I think you don't use the phone or something when some people will speaking.
All right. So in terms of using the phone while someone is speaking, that's important, but in not all cases, because
Mm-hmm.
actually we can also say, is it okay if I can use my phone while we're talking because I have some important matters to research, to finish. So example, just like us today. So while we are talking, I am actually using my phone because I am wait, I can show it. I am actually taking notes on our class so that I can send the feedback on the group chat like this.
Oh,
So I was typing. Can Have you seen our group chat like in the messenger? Have you seen that every after our class I will send a feedback to you?
yeah.
Yeah, that's why every time we are having a class, not just by
Ah,
you. Have you seen that one, the one in the group chat?
yes, that's right.
Yes. So every time we have our class or we had our class, I am typing here and the conversation we had so that I can easily monitor that. Oh, the student is good in this one. Oh, the student is need to improve in this kind of blah blah blah. So that's why I am
Yeah.
typing it here because I might afraid that at some point I forgot something about our class because just like this. After our class, I just have 3 minutes to open another class. So I don't have
Yes.
much time to what do we call this one? To type. So for to make the work easier or something, I need to type all our conversation, all our topic, on how did you answer, on how did you respond, and that's why. So using phone, maybe let's say 70% of it is impolite and 30% is polite because we are using it in different way. But example, we are having a class right now. You were just chatting with your friends, so that's impolite. We're having our class. I'm just playing mobile games, so that is impolite. Okay, so
Yeah.
now here in our country, these gestures matter because Filipino culture value respect for elders. So we have this, how do you call this one? The like this. When we do not like this with our elders, that's impolite.
Mm-hmm.
So that shows politeness. Okay. So now question number 5. How do you define a good person?
Mm. Define good person. That's so difficult when you see one pupil. But I think the pupil have morality, have ethical, and do have a politeness with the everyone. I think that's a good person.
All right. So a good person, someone who respect others, is kind and compassionate, is honest, is polite and considerate, help others, listen, empathize, stand up for what is right. So that's are the example of a good person, just like you. You listen to teacher very well. You answer to teacher very polite, like you're not being, oh, I don't care. Oh, I don't know what's that. Oh, I don't. You don't do like that. You always show.
Yeah.
You always have your thought, even though you are not so sure if because some of the English tell me some of there are some English that you don't know, right?
Yes.
That's why sometimes um you're going to thank if your answer is correct. So thank you so much about that, Sunshine. Are you giving me a politeness or polite toward our class? So
Yes.
now, Sunshine, I am afraid that I can no longer extend our class because I still have a class after this. So next time we will be jumping on the lesson 36, okay?
Okay.
All right, so for tonight's Sunshine, goodbye and see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Good night.
Good night.